doing things, not just talking. So when you come out and tell the enemy, I'm going to attack Asoro, they know you don't have the arsenal, you don't have the power, you don't have the capacity. They know. They know after we had promised them that they were going to get Biafra will come 2023 so time. It didn't come.
Days to Biafra. How many days is 138 days? Biafra will be restored in 2023. This movement will restore Biafra in 2023. Go and mark my word. And I have always told you people, I know the day Biafra will come. Biafra that was did not declare since 1999. I'm going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. The Biafra that it could not get from 1967 is this Simon Ekpa that is going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. All of you are just very idiotic.
They know that there's nothing. But we thought that there was thing going on because monies were being contributed. But when we realized that nothing was going to happen, we backed out and said, no, this is wrong. Now, those of you that came out to condemn us, you can see that the whole thing is happening. For he has told you that if Ojukwu could not give you Biafra, Ralph Wazirike could not give you Biafra, how do you expect him to give you Biafra? That's what he told you, that you are very stupid. That's what he said, you are very stupid. So, the problem is that you don't want to use your head to understand what is going on. You are just going to bed to sleep, carry all your hopes and put on one man and say he will give us, I will sleep in Nigeria, wake up in Biafra tomorrow. How foolish are you? For America, in all their sophistication and knowledge, they still strategize, they plan a program. They plan it very, very well. Do rehearsals, and then they go out with, they have elite squad, they have the Marines. Tough, high quality trained people for specific purposes. They don't underrate anybody. But you will be there. You don't have anything. You're underrating people. And you're telling somebody, I am going to bomb also Rock and make sure nobody comes out. That is noise you make so that those Biafrans who don't have understanding say, yes, it's a person. Naga bomboa. Oh, no, you can't do it. And because you don't have the arsenal, they take advantage of.
Biafra did not come. These are people without vision. People that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using den gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear. If you go after ethnic group, you become a terrorist. We are not going after ethnic groups. We are going after the terrorist army, police, and every Nigerian forces that carries gun. That is the people we are going after. Because once you go after them, you have uprooted the people in the bush. If you go after ethnic group in the name of Fatih Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. If you go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorism.
Hello Megide. Hala Megide. Hello na Hala Megido. Yesino Gaya de Rani Nama. Hello Megide. Hala Megide. Hello na Hala Megido. Yesino Gaya de Rani Nama. This morning I pass the clip. Anybody around you who is not happy to see you move, somebody run fire 7 times. Oh. Yeah. Somebody run fire. Yeah. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, no, Gaya de Rani. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, no, Gaya de Rani. That is my declaration for the year 2021. I declare it to you hearing me, in that family, in that house, in that country, in that state. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, no, Gaya de Rani. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, no, Gaya de Rani. 2021, whoever that say you can remain like this, somebody roll fire. Whoever that say your 2021 nothing could come out, I'll frustrate their prophecy. Hello Megide, Hala Megide, Hello Nala Megide, yes, no,
person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on Dioshika Habu. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We should be careful and distant ourselves from Fulani double agent and commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, behind the flag of our oppressor. Thanks for watching.